Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the Harborview to Yalos Highway, also known as the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. It now takes 15 minutes to drive from Harborview to Yalos. 15 minutes. This road is a game changer. I don't know if you can remember that horrible drive before this road was built. I mean, the potholes, the winding road, going to St. Thomas or going to Yalos was torture. You only went if you had to. Now, this is what you call a superhighway in Jamaica. This is the kind of road you drive on from Harborview to Bull Bay to Albion all the way to Yalos. And it's not stopping there, though it's only 4 lanes from Harborview to Yalos. The highway goes from Yalos to Port Antonio, but it's 2 lanes. But it's highway quality road. In other words, the road is going to be refurbished and it's going to be a new road basically. Paved, modern road. And between Harborview and Yalos, you have street lights, you have stoplights. This is a job well done. I don't know when this road will ever be completely finished because it's been going on for a while. And as you can see on the tour, they're still doing some construction work. But all 4 lanes are open. But the road has not been officially opened yet because they're still doing some work. But it's here and you can see what it's going to be like. Alright guys, so enjoy the rest of the tour as we drive towards Yalos. Alright guys, and let us know what you think about 15 minutes from Harborview to Yalos. 15 minutes. You can leave your comments in the section below. Yalos used to be, St. Thomas used to be called the Forgotten Parish. But this highway has changed that without a doubt. I personally am amazed at how beautiful St. Thomas is. It's a place that I've driven on the old road a few times, but I haven't really seen the potential of St. Thomas until this road was built and we've been coming over here so often. I mean, this is going to be a game changer, let's just put it that way. A game changer for this side of the island. And it's no longer the Forgotten Parish. This parish is probably going to, well, it will never beat the North Coast parishes, but it's definitely going to be up there as one of the fastest growing parishes, reinvestment and those kind of things. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.